want to go for a swim this early in the morning. Well, unfortunately, that bit's defeated me.
As always, Obi has been helpful planning this route. Thanks, Obi.
Morning, it's Sunday the 26th of October. I've just parked up not far from Belvoir Castle in Leicestershire. I've got my mountain bike today. I was going to go my road bike, but it's only about 4 degrees, so it's very, very cold. In fact, there was actually a thin layer of ice on the car this morning. Yeah, the plan is to go along the ridge, which is a Jubilee Way heading towards Belvoir Castle, and then I'm going to find my way onto the Viking Way, which is an ancient trackway running from the Humber Bridge down to Oakham in Rutland, but I'm only going to do a small section of that. Yeah, so I can either come back up on the Lincolnshire side or come back up on the Leicestershire side, but we'll see. I haven't decided yet. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, we're off. So we're just going to take this this bridle way onto the Jubilee Way.
So I broke this ride into a few sections. The first part, get onto the Jubilee Way, head towards Belvoir Castle, take a left down Belvoir Road, then a sharp right on past Belvoir Farm, and then head towards Grantham Canal.
So this, I think, goes. This Jubilee Way is a path that goes all the way from Burrow Hill, Hillfort near Melton Mowbray, all the way to Belvoir Castle. It's about 30 odd miles, I think. I'll try and find out exactly how it is. But it's a beautiful walk. It's a beautiful path. And yeah, I thought about doing that Jubilee Way as a walk, so I might do that in the future. But at the moment I'm on a ridge heading towards Belvoir Castle, and there's views of the Vale of Belvoir to my left. God, look at that, idiot. But it is freezing, so I need to wrap up today. So we're just starting to descend from the ridge now. Forgot about this bit. Wow, look at that cottage. I don't know if you can just see that. Brilliant. So a little bit of ascent before we kind of descend into near Belvoir Castle. Here, just coming to the road. There, the Vale of Belvoir below. So I've just come off a farm track and I've turned right, and I'm riding along the Grantham Canal at the moment. And it's a beautiful autumn morning. Looks like they've been clearing, I don't know if you can see to the right, there's lots of mud. It looks like they've been clearing the canal. Beautiful couple of swans there. Alright, it's coming to our first bridge. I absolutely love the architecture of these bridges on the canals. Look at that, beautiful. It's been about 4.5 years since I did this last, so I'm hoping I'm going the right way. Wow, what an absolutely brilliant path this is. Right by the canal, looks like they're doing a little bit of work there. Well, I've not seen too many people, seen the odd dog walker and fisherman. That's about it really. Another amazing bridge and tunnel. Look at the artwork on this tunnel, beautiful. Right, we're just back on the Grantham Canal now. I'm not sure we're actually going the right way here, but we'll soon find out. Right, we're now under this bridge, I think. Ooh. Don't want to go for a swim this early in the morning. The water looks very, very cold. So we're just getting off the canal and onto the Viking Way now. Hopefully it's not too muddy.
So from the Longmoor Bridge over the Grantham Canal, all I had to do is head along the Viking Way south, probably about 5-6 kilometres over the A607 to a 3 Queens plantation.
I've done about 16 kilometres. No, it's not far, so but I'm a little bit hungry. And we're back on the drift. The Viking Way. Whoa. Got some big puddles there, I'm hoping to avoid them. Right, suddenly got a lot muddier. I think I need both hands for this job. That will teach me to try and film one-handed, or ride one-handed rather. Right, I think we've got a bit of an incline again now. Let's see how we get on with this and how muddy it is. Right, there are some big boulders on this part of the track, and the mud is very wet as well, so I'm slipping all over the place. Oh god, I remember this from 4 years ago. I think I had to get off at some point. Ah god. Well, unfortunately that bit's defeated me. My tyres are caked in mud and my wheels are just spinning. So you need better tyres than the ones I've got for this bit. Have you seen this, guys? I mean, look how deep those furrows are with vehicles going down it. It's just full of mud and water. There's no way my tyres can cope with that. Or my legs. Bloody hell, this is hard. I'm ashamed to admit defeat on this section, but I've got no choice. These furrows, really, really deep and very, very muddy. Must be about 2 or 3 feet deep in some parts. Oh, well, back on the steed. That bit was really, really quagmiry. Yeah, like I said, more than a match for me and the tyres and my skill set. I bet it's brilliant going down, that is. Should have done it the other way. This is looking a bit more reasonable. Whew, that was hard work. So I think I've just crossed the busy A607. I'm still back on the Viking Way now. This is a bit of tarmac, thankfully. Get rid of some of this mud. Spoke too soon. Back onto some grass. Here we are. I'm enjoying it though. It's an absolutely brilliant route. I would definitely recommend it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments. I'd be very, very grateful. Thank you very much.
Yeah, unfortunately I wanted to continue going south on the drift, the Viking Way, but time is beating me and I've got to get back. So quite a way to go, so I had to cut off, get on the A607 and head back through Croxton Kerrial and then head our way back towards Belvoir Castle. Very windy now, the weather's closing in a bit. I think we're going to have a lot of rain this afternoon. you, I don't really want to go on the roads on my mountain bike. I mean, this is a great road for my road bike, but unfortunately I've not got any choice at the moment.
However, if there's anybody who knows a better route where I could have taken my mountain bikes or a bit more off-road heading back to the Jubilee Way, please let me know in the comments.
Nice countryside though, lovely scenery. Yeah, Knipton. This is a lovely village as well, beautiful. That stonework, gorgeous. Really golden stone, isn't it? So look, a little detour up here. There's a church that I saw from before up there. Knipton Church, All Saints. What an absolutely beautiful church. Excuse me, losing my voice here. Don't know how these carvings are. Wow. Oh, so absolutely beautiful stone glass window there. Stained glass window, sorry. Don't think the GoPro picks it up, but it's really, really pretty. So we just left that lovely church at Knipton and we're heading uphill. So we're back on the Jubilee Way, heading this time with the Vale of Belvoir on my right. You might hear some gunshots. So I'll let you know how far the ride was. It's probably about 10 kilometres shorter than I originally planned. But it's still been an absolutely brilliant ride. I hope you've enjoyed it too. So thank you for watching, if you watched it this far. And I'll put the Strava route at the end. There'll be a link to the Strava route in the description.